P. Peter. Don't go inside.
National salute. Present arms. Nav 17 332H1 Sergeant Adam Musa Suleiman. Gas provided by headquarters 115 Special Operations Group, Nigerian Air Force, Port Harcourt. Gas ready for inspection, sir. Arms. National salute. Present arms. At the end of inspection, may I have your permission to dismiss the gas into the gas room, sir? Into the gas room. Dismiss. Left, right, left, right, left.
I'm highly delighted to welcome you all to the Nigerian Air Force Base, Port Harcourt, home of the Nigerian Air Force combat helicopters and venue for the commissioning ceremony of 2 blocks of 12 by 2 bedrooms airmen accommodation. Let me begin by appreciating the Rivers State government for this remarkable achievement of completing this magnificent project, which is a shining testament to the visionary leadership and unwavering support of His Excellency, the Executive Governor of Rivers State. This project represents the spirit of collaboration between the Rivers State government and Nigerian Air Force. By providing this modern accommodation, His Excellency has demonstrated a profound commitment to the welfare of our personnel, recognizing that the well-being directly impacts on operational readiness and dedication to safeguarding the state and our beloved country at large. Your Excellency, I must acknowledge your unwavering willingness to make a mark in the Nigerian Air Force Base, Port Harcourt, even without us requesting. Your administration's quick response towards supporting projects including enhancement of operational facilities and most recently the approval for resurfacing of the Port Harcourt Military Airfield runway is worth appreciating. This strategic partnership between Rivers State government and the Nigerian Air Force is made possible through the enabling environment provided by the Chief of the Air Staff, Air Marshal Hassan Abubakar, Distinguished Flying Star, whose leadership style permits mission command philosophy to thrive. The enshrinement of the mission command philosophy in our command structure allows commanders to use their initiative not only in executing operational missions, but also in engaging in collaboration with relevant partners and stakeholders that will bring progress and development to their units, and by extension, the Nigerian Air Force. The Chief of the Air Staff, thank you very much, sir, for giving us the leverage to engage our host states in partnerships that will add value to Nigerian Air Force. Let me also acknowledge the unwavering support and guidance that this unit enjoys from the Air Officer Commanding Tactical Air Command, Air Vice Marshal EOE Ebere, who himself was a commander of the unit and still has the best interests of the unit at heart. The Air Officer always promptly takes up operations and administrative issues with the Chief of the Air Staff and secures speedy approvals for us all the time. Thank you very much, sir. Let me also put it on record that today's commissioning of this project is perfectly in line with one of the key drivers of the Chief of the Air Staff's command philosophy, which is maintaining a highly motivated force by enhancing welfare and infrastructural renewal. This successful partnership has further shown the interest that both His Excellency and the Chief of the Air Staff have towards the welfare of officers and men of the Nigerian Air Force. I would also like to appreciate all those that toiled day and night to make this project a success. Special thanks to our host communities, led by our amiable traditional rulers, for their continuous support to the Nigerian Air Force. Your support has immensely contributed to the success story of the Nigerian Air Force Base, Port Harcourt. I appreciate you all, Your Highnesses. My appreciation also goes to our sister services and other security agencies. Together, we have continued to achieve our mandate of securing our host state, River State, as well as ensuring that we contribute towards realizing the desired oil production output for the country. On behalf of Nigerian Air Force Base community, I express our deepest gratitude to His Excellency and the River State government for this generous gesture. May this project symbolize enduring partnership between the Nigerian Air Force and River State, founded on mutual respect and shared dedication to national progress. Once again, you are welcome to the Nigerian Air Force Base. Enjoy your stay with us. May God bless River State, Nigerian Air Force, and the Federal Republic of Nigeria. Thank you and God bless you all.
Hassan Bala Abubakar, the Chief of Air Staff, the Deputy Governor of our dear states, the Speaker of the River State House of Assembly, Right the Honorable Victor Oko-Jumbo, members of the National Assembly, both serving and former, the commander of this base, 115, and other commanders that are here. Our elder statesman, the former governor of River State, Sir Celestine Omehia, Senator John Mbata, Senator A.M. Peppo, Dr. Samsam Jaja, Senator Lee, and a host of others that are here. The chairman of the River State Council of Traditional Rulers, and also the former chairman of the council, my own king, King Dandisi Jaja, and other royal fathers that are here with us. the airmen, and also airwomen that are here with us, the Secretary to the State Governments, and other members of the State Executive Council that are here. Our special guests that are invited to witness this event, gentlemen of the press, ladies and gentlemen, we are in an institution. It's not in our usual community where our activities will be handled in different ways. But here, we have to coordinate ourselves in line with the ethics of the airmen line. I have to say this because if we were in a community, our activity would have been different. But here, we're here to say, as a government, our support is not only to those who elected us, those communities that will have to oversee their welfare, but we also have to contribute and support the agencies who also protect life and property in our states. This project that we are commissioning today did not start by our administration. It was conceived in 2017. It wasn't completed, but our government came in and we were approached. And knowing the importance of the welfare of the officers of the Air Force, knowing fully well that when they are comfortable they will perform effectively. We have a very difficult situation in our hands where we are battling the cases of oil theft. We have the cases of vandalization of our oil line. These are men who are always flying to ensure that those national treasures are secured. Our little contribution to their welfare can just be this. I consider it not much, but just a little thing that we can do to appreciate the sacrifice they are making for us. It is not only Mr. President that will carry this burden. We in our own little corner are also supposed to also contribute to the welfare of these officers. So what we're doing today is to tell the world, to tell Nigeria, that we're not limiting our support to our primary assignment only to the communities or the LGAs, but we also extend our support to other institutions who also help in making River State whole and safe. Like the contractor said, the project was initiated in 2007 at the cost of 212 million. For one reason or the other, it wasn't completed. When we came on board, we had to review it, and it was valued at over 454 million. We felt, what is 454 million to the support that we're getting from the Nigerian Air Force? We use their airstrip, They are also part of the joint task force that are securing lives and property in River State. We said, no, this is a little thing that we can do. And that was why the government immediately approved and released that amount. And what we are seeing today is realization of commitment, not just verbal, but seeing it to the end. So it's just an event to say our government will continue to support all the security agencies in our dear state. Our government will continue to collaborate with them to protect life and property. We will be gathering again in a few days to also show other support for security agencies. I don't need to spill it here. When it comes, we also hear and know about it. But today is to say, Chief of Air Staff, thank you first for even allowing us to complete this project. You would have well said, no, don't bother about it. But as a professional who understands that government is a continuous process. In fact, as a matter of fact, I see government, our own government, the politician, the one that the politician handles, is a shift job. A shift job is you have your own time. The engine, maybe if you're working in the factory engine will continue to run. Your duty is to supervise. If there is any error, you correct it and the system keeps flowing. When your time of shift is over, another person takes over. You leave. Now the most important thing is, if you're producing aluminium, the quality still remains because your duty is to supervise. If you're producing polythene bag, the quality still remains and the design is still maintained. So in terms of governance, our duty is to provide services, protect life and property, ensure that we support the government at the center for effective governance, to make our people happy. And that is what I believe, and that is what I stand for. So let me thank the commander, too, because he has been very, very supportive. He has always supported everything that we do when it comes to issues of security. I might not want to say something so that some of you might not be prosecuted, but the truth about it is, whatever you do for the interests of this state, for the protection of life and property and existence of this state, I can't pay you. It's only God that will pay you. So I thank every one of you, more especially those senior officers that have journeyed from the headquarters to witness this event with the Chief of Air Staff. We assure you that we'll work with your boss to make this base, 115 base, more attractive. Other items or other requests made by the commander, I believe we're already working on them. We're doing it because we want this space to enjoy effective operational system. We want this base to see itself as an envious base in Nigeria, because you have a government who listens and who supports. Don't worry, they're not going to remove you today. It's only when they promote you. So let me thank our leaders who have also come to support us and to assure you that what you have done. By supporting us, we will continue to stand to protect and to make you proud in Rivers State. Let me finally thank everyone. Like I said, this event is an event in an institution. It's not the one we're doing in Rumokoro or Nomoma. So our style here will be different. When we go to Rumokoro or go to Rumolumene, we'll know how to follow that one. So let me thank every one of you. Thank our supporters. Thank the Nigerian Air Force in particular, because this is the community of the Air Force. Whether you like it or not, it is their own community. And thanks especially, and finally, the Chief of Air Staff for accepting to come to these days to honor us by commissioning this project to the glory of God and the well-being of humanity. Let me on this note invite our special guest of honor, the Chief of Air Staff, to come present his own speech and cut the ribbon so we can declare this place open. Thank you, and may God bless you all.
Gentlemen, it is with great delight and a deep sense of gratitude that I stand here today to commission this remarkable housing project, comprising 2 blocks of 12 by 2-bedroom residential flats, which are built by the Rivers State government for the Nigerian Air Force. Your Excellency, on behalf of the officers, airmen, and airwomen of the Nigerian Air Force, I extend our heartfelt appreciation to you and the good people of Rivers State for this thoughtful and impactful initiative. This project is not only a demonstration of your commitment to the welfare of our personnel, but also a testament to the strong partnership between Rivers State government and the Nigerian Air Force. I firmly believe that in any organization, the human element is the most critical asset. No institution can stand the test of time without prioritizing the well-being of its employees. Accordingly, upon assuming office as the 22nd Chief of the Air Staff, I articulated my command philosophy, which is anchored on 5 key drivers, one of which is maintaining a highly motivated force by enhancing welfare and infrastructure renewal. This edifice standing before us here today is undeniably a cornerstone of welfare and infrastructure development, and it aligns seamlessly with my command philosophy. This project is very significant, as it will undoubtedly have a positive impact on the quality of life of our personnel and their families. It will no doubt boost morale, but also promote civil-military cooperation and contribute to the operational effectiveness of the Nigerian Air Force. Rivers State has been a gracious host to the Nigerian Air Force since our base was established here during the Nigerian Civil War. Over the years, we have enjoyed a harmonious relationship, and successive governors, including Lieutenant Colonel Musa Dauda Komo, retired, and Excellencies Peter Odili, Rotimi Amechi, and Yesom Wike, have generously contributed to the development of our base. Their support has resulted in the construction of essential infrastructure such as perimeter fence, residential blocks, and a VIP lounge. Indeed, we are deeply indebted to the Rivers State government for your kindness and commitment to our well-being for nearly 6 decades. As the saying goes, one good turn deserves another. And Nigerian Air Force has reciprocated by contributing towards the peace and security of the state, primarily through air operations against illegal oil bunkering. This has helped sustain the economic lifeline of the state and created the enabling environment for businesses to thrive. We have also allowed the Rivers State government unfettered access to our airfield facilities, while also providing security and handling services for the state-owned aircraft free of charge. This mutual cooperation exemplifies the strong partnership between the Nigerian Air Force and the Rivers State government. Your Excellency, let me take this opportunity to reaffirm our commitment to supporting the security architecture of Rivers State. Nigerian Air Force remains dedicated to safeguarding the lives and property of the citizens here. And we are always willing, able, and ready to collaborate in ensuring lasting peace and security across the state, using all air assets and platforms available to us. Let me at this juncture state unequivocally that under the visionary leadership of His Excellency Bola Ahmed Tinubu, Nigerian Air Force is experiencing a remarkable renaissance. This transformation is evident in the significant upgrade of our aircraft inventory and enhanced operational readiness. Over the past year, we have taken delivery of 12 state-of-the-art aircraft, with an additional 3 expected to join our fleet before the end of this year. Furthermore, we are poised to receive several more aircraft by the year 2026. So on this note, I wish to extend my sincere gratitude to the President and Commander-in-Chief of the Armed Forces for his unwavering support to the Nigerian Air Force and the Armed Forces as a whole. Your Excellency, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, let me reiterate that this project marks yet another milestone in the long-standing relationship between Rivers State and the Nigerian Air Force. While thanking His Excellency Sim Fubara and the good people of Rivers State for this laudable gesture, it is my prayer that this relationship will continue to soar to greater heights. It is also my hope that this collaboration will serve as a model for similar initiatives all across the country. Long live the Nigerian Air Force,